Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you all know, my name is Chirag Jain, and today we're going to be talking about the crypto market, more specifically the Bitcoin to USD chart. So I have a few trades in mind and I'm going to share them with you, and I'm also going to show a few trades that I took in the past. Right now the crypto markets are performing really well, and according to my analysis, the crypto market's going to go up very quickly. So be ready with your money and be prepared. A little disclaimer beforehand: I'm not a CB registered personnel or a financial advisor. So please, before using your own money, contact your financial advisor and go with your own conviction. My research is purely for educational purposes. Let's get started. Now, on the monthly chart, as you can see, we are very near the support. Don't get too dramatic with the chart. I'll explain each and everything and you will understand each and everything in a bit. So we need the support. Now let's move to the weekly chart for once. Okay, wait, why is the EMA on right now? Yeah. So as you can see, there's a head and shoulder formation, and I saw that and I entered into a trade. For that I'll have to take you to the 1 day time frame. Yep, I took this trade for a little money. Yeah, as soon as it saw it broke the neckline of the head and shoulder, I entered into a trade and I got a little profit on my small breakdown. So yeah, as soon as I reached the third candle, which was the red doji, I exited the trade with a small profit, because the three dojis indicate generally a trend reversal, and a trend reversal took place right after that. And in the crypto markets, generally dojis indicate a trend reversal. They do not generally do that in the stock market, but in the crypto markets, as they're highly volatile and they're run majorly on the basis of market demand and market supply, as they have no intrinsic value as such. So that's the reason I exited the trade, and I will show you the next formation I have right now. Then I saw a wedge formation with a consolidation in the end. So I waited for another breakout. As soon as the green candle formed, I knew this was it, and I was willing to risk it. I just was willing to risk it. It's an extremely risky trade, guys, and I would not recommend any of you, if you're a beginner, to take this kind of trades. But I have a large risk appetite, so I did it. So I entered the trade right there, the small stop loss above there. I had to match this candle stop because I had to keep a buffer just in case, because I was taking a risky trade. And then I saw this profit and I saw this much gone down. I waited for a long time, and then I exited around here. I could have gone below there. I could have waited more. I got more profit, but I exited. This much profit was pretty huge for me personally. Then I saw another consolidation formation happening here. See, I went in for another short right from this candle. I wanted to short from this point, but the consolidation area could have been increased to this point, so I thought maybe let's wait. So I waited for the confirmation, and when I saw this candle and I saw two support line breaks, I'll show you. These can act as very huge supports, because that's the point where they broke to go very high. So I made these trend lines, support lines, and as it broke, I realized I had to enter into a trade. So I entered into a trade here with a stop loss right above the candle and with a small buffer. Wait, I'll tell you why there's a buffer. Basically, there's a gap between the wick stop and there's this here. I'll just show you. See that? There's some gap. Yeah, that's because we need to always have a buffer, and that's all that's going to prevent us from SL hunting. Now SL hunting is basically stop loss hunting. It happens when the market's too volatile and the buyers want to eliminate the short sellers, and they want to keep them away from the market. So this generally happens in both kind of trades, buying and selling. If you bought the trade, the big traders would short sell on that commodity, in this case Bitcoin. They would short sell and make your stop loss hit, and in that case they will buy the commodities again and go away from the market. And in my case, which is short selling, they would buy the commodity up so that I see a loss, and I exit by rebuying the commodity, and they sell it at a profit. So as and when I saw this amazing red candle happening, I kind of got a little fishy about what's gonna happen now. So I exited right here. So sometimes I do exit early just in case I feel like the trade can go wrong. I always go with my instincts, and I'm a better seller than a buyer, so I like selling stuff. Now then, another consolidation zone, which is the present status of the market, and from what I'm predicting, the markets are gonna go up, and I've made this zone already for you just in case they go up. You guys should enter into a trade as and when we see a breakout candle. 1 second, I don't know. Yeah, as and when we see a breakout candle. So if the candle breaks out above this and we see a rally, you should enter into a trade right there as it goes up. If it breaks down, enter into a trade once it breaks 17,581, and we can see a fall till 13,880 because that's the next support zone it has. Now the volumes are not very good right now, so I recommend waiting for entering into a trade till we see some strong volumes, and once we start to get a very huge volumes, either in the downward side or in the upward side, we can enter into a trade. And if it's for the upward side, I'll recommend using the EMA as well, because I prefer using the EMA, and I'm currently using the 50 and the 200 EMA, and I like the 50 EMA very much, and this is for one reason. 50 EMA is a very good indicator for when you should enter into a trade. As and when it touches the 50 EMA, rest be assured it's gonna go up generally. Okay, so enter into a trade as and when the Bitcoin this candle touches the 50 EMA mark. 1 second, I'll just show you. In this case it would be 23,568. Now it's gonna keep changing, so as and when it touches the 50 EMA mark, enter into the trade for the upside if it touches, and it should be having a breakout from this consolidation area as well. Once those both things collide, enter into the trade, and if the breakout happens and the 50 EMA is already being crossed, good for you, enter into it and then take the trade and go for the first target as 2687, because a supply zone is taking place right there, and then 2854, another supply zone, and a consolidation area right above that. So be assured that you will find some pretty strong and weird movements happening here, and after that you can expect it to go till 32818, and then 36344 is the next target. After that 43018. So this is my analysis for the Bitcoin market. I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, a sub to the channel will be really amazing. And if you think that I did a great job with this video, you should also like the video, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next videos. I'll be talking more about other investing and trading opportunities for you. Bye.